You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce once and for all this name of Dutch origin. Yes, it's not from anywhere else, not from New Zealand or any other country or Denmark. It's Dutch. So the Dutch pronunciation, and then how you can pronounce it in English. Marijke. Marijke. So it's not Marijke or Marijke. Marijke, no. Marijke. Therefore, in English, you can simply say it as Marijke. Is that alright? Let me know. Are you a Marijke? Is that okay if in English we say it as Marijke? Let us know in the comments. Let me know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.